How to install plugins to your WordPress website. Now that you've set up your WordPress website, you'll need to install some plugins. Plugins are apps which add features and function to your website. For this tutorial, we'll show you how to install Yoast, which is the #1 SEO plugin for WordPress. It can help you ensure that your pages and posts are optimized for search engines. We think it's one of the most useful plugins you can add to your site, and the way you install it can be employed for any plugin. In fact, there are 2 ways you can install plugins. Firstly, you start by logging into your WordPress site. You navigate to cPanel by selecting Products. On the Products and Services page, you choose cPanel Maximum. Now, you click on cPanel Admin, and that will take you to your cPanel page. Scroll down to Software and click Installatron Applications Installer. Now that we're in Installatron, you'll need to log into your website. Select the link that ends wp-admin/. Then, log into your website. Of course, this is the long-winded way of getting to your WordPress dashboard. You can also get there directly by typing your domain name into the URL bar and adding /wp-admin at the end. That'll take you straight to your login page. Just type in your username and password, and you've logged into your WordPress dashboard. Look down the menu on the left for the Plugins link. Click Add New, and that takes you to the Add Plugins page. From here, you can install any plugin you need. Just go across to the search bar and put in the name of the plugin you're looking for. In our case, it's Yoast. And there it is. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate. Then you'll automatically go back to your plugins page, and there you'll see Yoast SEO is installed and running. Okay, so that's one way you could add the functionality of a plugin to your website. But as promised, there's another way. The other way starts, as so many things do, on Google. Just type in the name of the plugin you want. Again, in this case, we'll go for Yoast SEO. Then follow the appropriate link. We've been taken straight to the plugin download page. For this demonstration, we'll choose the free version. While the download is happening, they'll probably offer you their SEO guide and tips. You could do worse than sign up for that. Now, if you log into your site and go to the plugins page, as we showed you earlier, then click on Add New, that'll take you to your Add Plugins page. Here, you select Upload Plugin. Now you choose the file you want to upload. We're doing this on an Apple, so your menus will look different if you're working on a PC or a tablet, but the process is the same. You go to the folder the plugin was downloaded to and select WordPress SEO. Then you simply click Install Now. When the plugin has been unpacked and installed, just click the Activate Plugin button. Go back to your plugins page and you'll see that Yoast SEO is in your list of active plugins. Now, if you want to confirm it's up and running, go to All Pages. Scroll down to a page you've created or the default sample page is here and choose Edit. Scroll down and there it is, the Yoast SEO work area. And that's it. That's how you install Yoast or any other plugin to your WordPress website. And how do you get the most benefit from Yoast now that you've installed it? Well, that's another story and the subject of another video.